I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by grabbing a crisp QR PNG and placing it directly into Ibis Paint. You need a high contrast image so the code remains readable when scaled. Once imported, crop tightly to remove extra margins and make the QR roughly square. Make sure the layer is visible and set to normal. Then open the brush tool and choose to create a new brush using the current layer image so the code becomes the brush base. Now fine-tune how the QR behaves as a brush tip. Enter brush settings and select the imported QR layer as the brush image. Adjust spacing so each stamp stays sharp, reduce spacing for continuous lines, or increase it for discrete stamps. Modify size limits and enable pen pressure scaling if you want variable size. Also tweak opacity and edge hardness so each stamp preserves contrast. Make test stroke. Finalize by naming and saving the custom brush into a set so you can access it later. Export the brush file for backup if desired. Then test stamps at several sizes on sample backgrounds and scan them with your QR reader to confirm reliability. If scans fail, make sure the QR has strong black and white contrast, no Gaussian blur, and ample quiet zone. Re-import a higher resolution PNG and adjust blending to normal. That usually fixes most readability problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.